In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select 30-day rental in Zillow, 2026 full guide. Let's start by dialing in your search area, so you're only seeing places that truly fit your life. Head to Zillow.com and type the city, neighborhood, or zip code where you want to stay. Once the map loads, use the plus and minus controls to zoom in on the exact spots that match your daily rhythm. Near your workplace, a transit line, or the shops you frequent. Take a moment to pan around and get familiar with the nearby streets and landmarks so the results you save are in the right pocket of town. Next, refine the results so you avoid scrolling through places that won't work. Open the filter menu and set a clear price range that fits your budget. Then choose the number of bedrooms and bathrooms you need. If you're targeting a 30-day rental window, adjust the move-in date so you're only seeing homes that line up with your timing. Under More Filters, toggle the features that are non-negotiable for you. Pet-friendly options, dedicated parking, in-unit laundry, and the home types you prefer. These filters do the heavy lifting, so take a minute to get them right. It will save you a lot of time later. When a place looks promising, open the listing and study the details. Browse the high-resolution photos to understand light, layout, and finishes, and check any floor plans to verify room sizes and flow. Cross-check the map placement to confirm the home sits within your preferred neighborhood boundaries and makes sense for your commute or daily errands. Then scan the description for practical requirements, application fees, screening steps, and any minimum income or credit thresholds, so there are no surprises when you move forward. From here, it's time to initiate the application the way the landlord prefers. If you see an Apply Now button, that means the property accepts applications directly through Zillow's secure system. Click through and you'll be guided step by step. If you see Request to Apply, the owner manages applications outside Zillow. Clicking this signals your interest, and you'll receive a link or instructions to complete their external form. To keep everything moving smoothly, follow the prompts carefully and enter accurate information the first time. If you're applying within Zillow, complete every required field so screening doesn't stall. If you requested to apply, keep an eye on your inbox and follow the listing's specific instructions and timelines after you submit. And that is all for today. Moving from browsing to applying is a straightforward process when you use these filters and the official application tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.